Alright, already started. Go push the button. Oh, this is cool. It's big. Here it is. Oh, this is big.
Yeah. This one used to make farting noises whenever it accelerated, whenever it moved.
I think I remember it doing that. Alright, go to 1.
Mine lights up. Yours. Oh, there you go.
Oh gosh, walkie-talkie.
Good thing we got. Good thing they didn't see us.
Well, we should get off at 1 then.
Yeah, we'll get off at 1.
How many pounds is this? Ooh, 8,000. Oh, 5,000 pound capacity.
5,000?
As big as a JCPenney elevator. Yeah,
That's cool.
I know. Doors. That's it.